Hi everybody. Here's a hopefully short video on gold, XAUUSD. It's a CFD version of gold that I get through an offshore ECN broker. The data feed, it's free using MT4. And I wanted to point out what I'm up to with Mercury minus Saturn Helio. I've got it set for a 12 harmonic because I've noticed a 7-day period somewhere in that range is awfully good. And what I'm focusing on is how do we know when to invert? I've got this inverted right now. How to use the tune button and to make sure that you're in backtesting mode here. Okay, so moving along, as we come forward here, that's pretty good too. When I see the swing corresponds so cleanly and that this curve is moving up, I'm pretty confident the following week is going to be pretty close to. So let's take a look at that. And sure enough, so these are 1-hour bars, gold USD. Thinking about intra-week swings, this was an essentially flat week, but it caught this swing down and up nicely. And however, now we've got this swing sort of at the end of the week, and it's a little unclear where we're headed from here. So notice what happened. Time to invert, time to think of something else. So let's bring this in and click the tune button here. So you hit this target, tune regular cycle, and nice. So it inverted it for me. This showed up pale red. Let me close this. And if I wanted to move this forward a little bit to correspond with these swings, okay, but it's pretty close, so I'm going to leave it alone. So again, from this swing here, it's looking pretty good. And, okay, so let's see what happens if we tune it again. Bingo.
Who are you talking to?
So what about this last swing here? And then this will put it into perspective. Okay, so here we have a swing. It's been tuned to the next situation here. But notice how this is behind here. So let's bring that up. And what I need to do is play with the RPO period, and if I were to pull it back to the swing low here, oops. Almost there at RPO2. And with this swing down here, let me tune it again. Oops, I hit the wrong button. Find irregular cycles. that hit this perfectly. Let me close that. And very good. So this peak aligned here. This looks really good. And then we caught this swing down here on Friday. So that's basically what I'm up to right now, is sticking with this idea of tuning, aligning swings, working with Mercury minus Saturn. Close that. Let's see what happened here. And this is off. That needs inverting. And that's still one of the areas that's a little bit tricky to figure out when to invert. If we had a definitive answer in that, I guess that would be the holy grail, and we wouldn't have to worry about trading anymore. But I'm excited by how these swing shapes match the data for gold. That's it. Take care.